Terrence! Anong grade mo na?
Grade 5.
Grade 5. Now, ask you a question. Alam mo ba yung ibig sabihin ng reuse, recycle, and reduce? Okay, did you know yung reuse, pwede natin siyang gamitin. Like for example, si Mami, nagpunta ng market, tapos pagdating niya ng bahay, may dala siya paper bag. Anong gagawin sa paper bag? Itatapon niya ba yun or itatago?
Itatago.
Very good! Tama ba siya? Itatago? Yes, kasi imbis na itapon natin, magiging basura lang yun, additional lang siya sa garbage, eh pwede pa naman gamitin. Okay? That's one example of reuse. Okay? Ate, you have one example. Give me one example lang ng reuse. For example, sa school,
The old notebooks you will use you will use your old notebook and sketch paper.
narinig niyo ba si ate? She said, the old notebook can be used pa rin. You can use it, for example, pwede niyong gawing crowds. Kasi the other side lang naman yung may sulat eh. Kaya at the back, pwede pa natin gawing drawing, pwede pang sketches, pwede pa doon tayong mag-compute or math. Okay? Very good, answers. You're surprised. Thank you! Nakapala!